Team4BIM.com, professional CAD BIM contractor.
Based on constant and never-ending service improvement policy, we're introducing Archicad Model Quality Control with Solibri Model Checker. The aim of our new BIM model quality standard is to deliver stable and qualitative service to our clients. We want that our clients would feel safe that they do not have to double-check our model and that our model would be fully suitable for further BIM project development. With our new work approach, we can provide advanced clash detection, deficiency detection, verify matching elements and architectural and structural design, and provide instant BIM data mining. Based on clients' needs, we can provide full Solibri Model Checker reports based on standard or custom rule sets. We want to ensure our clients that qualitative BIM modeling service is our goal and Solibri Model Checker is our tool. Contact us and get a free quote now.